Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Pearl onions add incredible depth and sweetness to any dish. These tiny gems, often overlooked, can truly elevate your meals with their delicate, nuanced flavor. They're perfect for stews, roasts, or even as a standalone side. Learning to prepare and cook them perfectly will transform your culinary creations, making every bite a delightful experience. It's surprisingly simple to master these little flavor bombs. Peeling pearl onions can seem daunting, but it's simple with this quick blanching trick. Just boil them for 1 minute, then immediately plunge them into an ice bath. This thermal shock loosens their skins, allowing you to easily pinch them off from the root end. It saves so much time and frustration, making the preparation process a breeze. You'll be surprised how quickly you can get through a whole bag. Sautéing pearl onions is a fantastic way to create a delightful caramelized sweetness in just minutes. Simply heat a tablespoon of butter or oil in a pan over medium heat. Then, add your peeled onions and cook them, stirring occasionally until they turn beautifully golden brown and become tender. This quick method brings out their natural sugars, perfect for a speedy side dish or a flavorful addition to your main course. They're incredibly versatile this way. Braising pearl onions offers a deep, rich flavor that perfectly complements heartier dishes. To do this, combine your peeled onions with some chicken or vegetable broth, a splash of wine, or your favorite flavorful sauce in a covered pan. Simmer them gently for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until they become incredibly tender and beautifully glossy. This method infuses them with intense flavor, making them ideal for roasts or slow-cooked meals. It's a truly satisfying way to enjoy them. Pearl onions are truly a versatile, elegant addition that elevates countless recipes. Enjoy them glazed with fresh herbs, roasted alongside hearty root vegetables, or nestled into a creamy sauce. They bring a subtle sweetness and beautiful texture that enhances everything from simple weeknight meals to sophisticated dinner parties. So next time you're planning a meal, don't overlook these tiny powerhouses. They truly make a difference. Give them a try and see the magic for yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.